All right, here we go. 2-box break of World Cup Panini Prizm. Awesomeness for Chuppy. Thanks, buddy. Good luck. Looking for 2 autos, or he's going to quit the hobby. And card number 57. Whatever that is. Eat up that shadow. Okay, here we go. How about that? Right out of the gate. Boom. Red Gullet. How you like me now? There you go, Red. And Ronaldo. You know who you're going to be able to spot 57 right off the bat? It's a nice one. David Ospina. I love that I don't have to sort these. There you go. Nice one. Ozil and Ronaldo. We'll have to random that one off between Chuppy and Chuppy. Always the Ivory Coast goalie. Goddamn Chup. There's a Messi for you. I'll insert. Ronaldo. Lampard. There he is. That's not the one though, right? Because this is a Prizm. Oh, that's an insert too. But that's the guy we're looking for. Barry. Barry the Guardian. Josie Altidore, USA. Who's the gullet guy? Is he any good? Lee Chung-yong. Boubacar Berry. Boob. You have 200 plus Messi Prizms. That's pretty sick. There's a red Thiago Silva. Thiago. Cards are so nice. To 149. I can't even read it. Luis Suarez. I remember him. Iker Casillas Prizm. That guy's got a sick haircut. Check that out. Booyah. Wayne Rooney. No idea how to say that. Papa Nicholas. George Papa Nicholas. Sorry, all my Greek friends. Strootman. Vidal, Arturo Vidal, Prizm. Pirlo. Do I still owe you another auto? You want me to mag that one too? Zokara. We just found something we were looking for a while. And then, you know, something else happened. Yeah, baby. Hugo Lloris. Gold. 8 out of 10. Nice. It's a nice one, man. Set complete, and then you hit a gold. An auto out of the first pack. Portugal. Van Peterse, blue. Blue's $1.99, that's right. Majid. I tried. Pirlo. England. No logo, England. That's because the top has that EPL thing. Is that weird? Oh, you got another auto. I think it's a good one too. Pirlo. I think the dice picked you out some nice boxes. Have to think Solier 2K3 next time you see him. Italia. Prizm poster. Guardian, Buffin, Prizm, oh, a black, one, Neymar. I think that's like our 5th gold. Maybe it's only 4th, I don't remember. Hulk. Kono. 2 left. Last one. Good luck. So, there you go. Got your guide to complete your set. A bunch of nice prisms. That was pretty nice. Got yourself a blue and a red, a gold, and 2 autos. So there you go. Thanks a lot, Chuppy.